Well, hello. It's Dr. Augustine. I do these nifty little beach walks talking about dry fasting. And today, I will try to keep my feet out of the water. I am on a hard dry fast after all. It's the 4th day of my 7-day hard dry fast. And yeah, I'm still tired. I expect to be because everything's going on inside me instead of right now outside me. So that's one good thing. And it's all very busy. You know, I got a little nauseous this morning. But that's normal because there's probably a Herxheimer effect happening as all this debris starts getting processed and the body's trying to get rid of it. But the amazing thing is my stem cells are now in regeneration and in interphase, so it's being corrected, and all the genetic errors have been, flipped around correctly. So it's always a good thing to do a dry fast just for that alone, because we have to rely on our stem cells for so much over our lifetimes, and I expect to have a much longer one. The other thing is you're going to have trouble sleeping. I usually do to some degree. I wake up a few times during the night. I usually I usually use a large room fan for the white noise, and the breeze and the noise push me right back out again. So today it's just going to be taking it easy, and these walks, as much as I love doing them and showing you guys on a dry fast, they're absolutely necessary during a dry fast, because you have to get your body working and moving to pump out the lymph. It's the only thing that gets the stuff that's going out of the cells into the extracellular matrix, into the lymphatic system. You got to pump it out, pump it to the nodes so it can process stuff. The nodes dump it into the ducts dump it into your arterial flow, and it's a great thing because you clean yourself out. And it's all collecting in my bowel. And here's some gurgling going on every now and then, but again, nothing out of the ordinary. When you do these things a few times, you recognize the feeling of being in them. And you'll notice my my beard is pretty good right now. And, can't do a soft dry fast and shave or anything, so, it's a hard dry fast. So, I'm looking like that silver fox, right? No, I'm looking unshaven, but that's expected. So anyway, that's what's going on. I have noticed my hair is growing faster these days, though. So a few things must be going on that are good for me. And that's been happening over the last 6 months to a year. So things have been changing. Things are going back to normal at a younger age. And you'll see it in my next book. The next book is all about that stuff. I don't want to get old. I don't want to die. And I think I figured that out. But it's in the next book. It's really, really complimentary to what I'm doing today. Anyway, that's it for the day. It's a super day out here. I'd be surfing otherwise, but I could never paddle out. That's the thing, man. Without the sugar, your muscles just don't work right. Anyway, so that's it for today. I love you guys, and I will see you later. Well, hello. This is kind of a twofold video. I got back to the house and I found that, still don't have enough baking soda for the baking soda mix at the end of the dry fast. And it gives me a chance, because I got the baking soda here. I got some Clabber Girl or something. Hi, I'm the Clabber Girl guy. Anyway, got that for after the fast. And the other thing I want to mention is driving, okay? If you're not sleeping well and if you're missing tons of sleep and you're getting a little delirious, don't get behind the wheel, please. Find somebody to drive you, or whoever you're living with or being with, have them drive you. Or, like today, go out and get the stuff you need for the end of the dry fast, so you're not having to go out and drive in this delirious state to try to get the stuff you need to end the thing. just a word of the wise. I love you guys. I don't want anybody getting hurt off of some delirium from dry fasting and not sleeping and just overly tired. And I just want to make sure everybody knows that when I get to these long dry fast 5 days, I'm at the end. I'll be in a 5-day tomorrow. It's not a big deal, but I'm going to 7. So for 7, you're going to get really tired. You're going to be really weak. You're going to be kind of delirious as you're not sleeping well. So get all the supplies now. I mean, that's the best advice. And stay out of the car. Just stay home, relax, sleep, binge watch on TV shows, and who knows, maybe I'll watch all the Pirates of the Caribbean today. Don't know. But that's my day. I want to get this stuff, get home, and just relax, because that's what you have to do. Walk around a little bit, but relax. So you probably won't see me at the beach tomorrow, because I'm just going to be getting through with a 7-day dry fast, but I'll report daily. Anyway, so that's it, and I'll talk to you later, probably tomorrow. See ya.
Yes?
We have a message. Can you remind people to subscribe, please, sir?
What now?
Please.
Oh, very well.